If your windshield washer bottle is full and you're still getting the low washer warning light, the issue might be with the wiring or the sensor at the bottom of the bottle. In this case, it is going to be the sensor, so let's get to replacing it. We need to access behind the fender liner. We'll begin with turning the wheel and removing the flare before getting behind the fender liner. For the fender flare, there will be 2 clips. There should be one up here too, but mine is broken. And for the fender liner, you can get away with just taking this one out. And on the bottom, there'll be 2 screws, one here and the other here. And now we can peel back the fender liner to get to the sensor. The sensor will be connected to this little brown plug. I don't think this is the proper way to remove the sensor, but to me this looks about right. And this will come out in several pieces. Also, before removing the sensor, drain the water out of the bottle by running your wipers or disconnecting the hose off of the motor. Because if you don't, you'll see why. And now we can compare the two, the new one on the right side, obviously. Now that the original sensor is all drained, I'm not sure what to look at to see why it went bad in the first place. Before installing the new sensor, we're going to lube the base of the sensor with some soapy water. I would also recommend doing the same to the rubber O-ring, which I did not do, making it much harder for myself. After 10 or 15 minutes, my fingers started to get fatigued, so I ended up getting a 36mm socket, using the back end to push up on the sensor. Even this still took a lot of force, which I didn't capture on video, unfortunately. After another 5 or so minutes, it should look like this. With the sensor fully installed, we can fill up the washer bottle. And always use distilled water, not tap, because tap water contains minerals that can end up clogging the spray nozzles. The washer bottle holds about 1.2 gallons, so just fill up until you think you're close to full, or full. With it filled, we can start the car. And make sure to have the door closed. Success! With the new sensor installed, the warning message is now gone. And with that, we'll end the video here. Thanks for watching.